We are here, we are here, we are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and patterns. Hey guys, we are marking up USD RUB. Let's head to the market. Let's see some structure. We're still in a monthly time frame. I think it's been a while since we marked up in a monthly time frame. So let's see what's going on. First thing you identify in the monthly time frame is price action. Okay, price action is currently here. If price goes up, we can clearly see price has to tag all these areas of this high to break to go up to new highs. Price goes down. Let's do this one more time. So price action goes down, the lowest mark that it could touch in that overall market would be here. And at the midpoint right in the middle, and if you guys look for patterns, is very important. It helps you identify the patterns a lot easier in the market as you currently see. Okay, so I'll break it down. So there's a lot of areas of structure. So we're going to circle them and we're going to go through them. So right here we have a structure of a W. So we see that first leg, second leg. Count these two as overall. But if you want to separate it, if you count this overall, you see the first, second, third, fourth. Market came back to retest. Market pushed up once. Market pushed up twice. Market pushed up 3 times. Overall average, 3 pushes to the top. Okay, you'll see that a lot. But if you want to break this chart down a little bit more, if you trade in it into this area of the highs and the lows, you will see the first leg and the market pushed up for that second leg. And then once it got to that second leg area, it did a double top at that resistance. So you see, so if you count it from this area here, there'll be first leg, second leg, third leg. So you already know once at that third leg, that market look like it's going to drop. If you get that engulfing, will push that market down. Still overall W, and then market push back up. Okay, so something happened at this bottom that pushed that market up. So which is like a single bottom, and the market came right back up. So it's like a overall structure. If you're looking at overall, you see a W. If you're playing inside of the field, which is the resistance to highs, so basically you'll be trading the consolidation. You'll see the W's and the M's inside there. Okay, so we did get the 3 pushes to the top, and once we received 3 pushes to the top, what happened? So we already see that market spiked up once in this area here. Market came back with another spike in this area here. So these are major spikes. But if you want to if you want to count this midpoint here as well, that's fine. But you just got to think about it overall as that market what spiked up once to that high, came back down. Market tried to spike to that high, but if in your mind, just picture that market spiking to that high. That's twice. The market spiked the third time to that high, that resistance 3 times. So if you want to look at it, if you take that midpoint and visually think about being at the resistance, is a triple top. If you do not want to do that, you just pay attention to the major areas, which would be one spike up to the resistance line, 2 spikes up to the resistance line, market drop. Okay, and we can clearly see at that low of that decline, that market did a W. Okay, so that's that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So it did a W to push itself up to those areas of that spike, but the market wasn't able to hold. So that W turned to an M. So we see that first leg, second leg. You grab this as a whole, third leg, drop that down for the fourth leg, 2 spikes up to the top for that M pattern. And then we have retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, and retest 4. So that's cap. 4 pushes down to the bottom, so we're not going to keep on counting. You can see that something happened in this area here, and that put the market in consolidation. So what happened? We got a W. Let's read it. We got that first leg, second leg. Maybe let's call it a triple bottom because we got a third spike here. It didn't come all the way down to support. Fourth leg retest, and the market broke out. So if you want to read it as what you see, we can see 1, 2, 3 spikes down, triple bottom. Or you could just read it as a whole, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, W pattern, which pushed that market up once, twice, 3 times, and that market dropped back down. Very important information, guys. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet. It helps you out with understanding market direction, and also use your SR lines to understand the breakout and retest strategies. SR lines also helps out with finding patterns inside the market. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, running the levels. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. USD RUB.